Outland Living Firebowl 883 Mega Outdoor Propane Gas Fire Pit with UV and weather-resistant durable cover. 24-inch diameter 58,000 BTU perfect no-mess campfire. With our fire pit say goodbye to dirty ash, expensive firewood, and bothersome smoke and enjoy a clean realistic propane fire pits for outside. The perfect outdoor fireplace for camping trips, RV travels, tailgating get-togethers, beach parties, and family evenings on the backyard patio. No assembly required. Easily set up in minutes with no tools required. All-weather Firebowl, outdoor fire pits delivers a clean and smokeless flame with cozy warmth and beautiful evening ambiance. Measures L 24 inches by W 24 inches by H 13 inches with total output of 58,000 BTU, HR. Beat the campfire ban. CSA-approved fire pit is safe to use during most campfire bans. Always check with the current fire restrictions in your area. Spark-free propane campfire helps protect campgrounds and forested areas with a safer, easy-to-use fire option. No assembly required complete fire pit kit. Includes pre-attached 10 FT hose to keep your standard 20 lb propane tank cylinder. Not included, safely out of sight. Fully adjustable regulator with chrome valve knob for varying flame height, and 6.6 pounds natural lava rock set designed to enhance flickering effect. Convenient UV and weather-resistant cover protects fire pit when not in use. Optional accessories of CSA-approved natural gas conversion kit 780 and Mega Carry Bag 761 available separately. Signature Outland Living Quality. Durable high-quality steel construction with protective enamel finish for dependable longevity. Superior stainless steel burner and fasteners. Outland Living has outdoor living perfected so you can create the perfect ambiance to share stories and good times. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.